A leaked video of the DJI Pocket 4 has been making waves online, sparking debates over whether the footage is AI-generated or genuine. This latest iteration promises to be the most significant upgrade in the Pocket series yet, featuring a sleeker, lighter design and an impressive dual-sensor setup. Rumors suggest the main sensor could be a 1-inch, 50-megapixel powerhouse, capable of delivering cinematic quality footage, while a secondary sensor, possibly a 1.3-inch square sensor, seems designed to optimize vertical video for social media platforms. Alongside this, DJI is reportedly enhancing the battery life, stabilization, and onboard processing, making the Pocket 4 an extremely versatile tool for vloggers, travelers, or anyone aiming to capture fast-paced moments with professional-level clarity. The idea of a secondary screen in leaked images has generated curiosity, but insiders suggest it won't function as a standard preview display. Instead, it might serve as a dedicated interface for settings or additional information, though nothing has been officially confirmed. Comparing it to its predecessors, the Pocket 2 featured a modest 1-inch LCD touchscreen, whereas the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 both sport a larger 2-inch OLED rotating screen, improving color accuracy and overall visibility. Sensor upgrades have been substantial over the generations. The Pocket 2 used a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor at 64 megapixels, shooting 4K at 60 frames per second. The Pocket 3 upgraded to a 1-inch, 12-megapixel sensor with 4K at 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion shots, and the Pocket 4 is expected to push the envelope with its massive 50-megapixel main sensor and 8K video capabilities. Stabilization technology has evolved alongside the cameras. The Pocket 2 relied on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for basic stabilization, the Pocket 3 brought Smart Track 6.0, and the Pocket 4 appears to combine a 4-axis magnetic levitation gimbal with AI predictive algorithms for ultra-smooth motion. Pricing reflects these improvements. The Pocket 2 starts at $353, the Pocket 3 at $495, and the Pocket 4 is expected to fall between $699 and $799. This positions the Pocket 4 as a powerful upgrade for creators seeking maximum quality in a compact form factor. DJI aims for a December release, though potential US tariffs and an FCC ban on DJI products, scheduled for late December 2025, could push the launch into early 2026. Still, FCC filings for the Pocket 4 under Model ID OP041 indicate that the hardware and design are finalized, signaling that the release is imminent. Battery capacity has reportedly increased from the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh to 1,545 mAh, and if the secondary sensor is indeed a 13.2mm square sensor, it could revolutionize vertical content creation by allowing full 4K vertical capture without any loss in detail. The video also shifts focus to a revolutionary new drone called the One, which is being hailed as the first flying camera built entirely around 8K 360-degree capture. Unlike traditional drones, the One captures everything around it, giving creators the freedom to choose angles in post-production. This design removes the pressure of piloting perfectly or framing shots on the fly, making it feel liberating and accessible even to beginners. The One produces footage that combines horizontal and vertical shots seamlessly, which is perfect for travel vloggers or creators capturing unpredictable, fast-moving action. Its appeal is not only technical, but emotional. Pilots describe the experience as freeing, almost like exploring rather than operating a machine. FPV enthusiasts are surprised that the One can achieve dynamic, FPV-style visuals without requiring advanced piloting skills, and its retractable landing gear ensures that the 360-degree camera view remains unobstructed. While the One introduces a creative-first philosophy in drone filmmaking, it isn't without limitations. Battery life is average, and processing 8K 360 footage demands significant computing power. Stitching can sometimes create minor imperfections on complex textures like water, trees, or close objects. For creators who want cinematic shots with shallow depth of field straight from the camera, traditional DJI drones still hold an edge. Nonetheless, the One represents a generational shift toward drones designed for freedom and creativity over technical control, opening doors for a new way of capturing adventures and moments. DJI, clearly noticing this trend, is preparing its own count. The Avat, signaling the seriousness of this emerging category. The contrast between the One and DJI's upcoming 360-capable drones highlights two distinct philosophies. The One prioritizes calm, automatic capture with full 360 coverage, while DJI's approach is likely to offer more manual control and speed, catering to those who prefer classic FPV dynamics. Both approaches have their merits, but the One stands out for beginners, travelers, and anyone wanting effortless, multi-angle footage. Its release has stirred excitement for the possibilities it introduces, potentially redefining drone filmmaking standards. Meanwhile, DJI is poised to respond, ensuring that the competition in creative drone technology is about to heat up. The emergence of such innovative tools signals a shift where the focus moves from mastering the machine to capturing the experience itself, giving creators unprecedented freedom to explore and express their vision without compromise. This new era in camera and drone technology emphasizes quality, flexibility, and creative liberty. The DJI Pocket 4 appears set to become the ultimate pocket camera with its groundbreaking sensors, stabilization, and video capabilities, while the One drone is redefining how we capture immersive experiences, proving that innovation in the creator tech space continues at an astonishing pace. Both devices highlight how rapidly tools are evolving to meet the demands of modern content creation, whether through cinematic pocket footage or all-encompassing aerial perspectives. Creators now have the option to prioritize freedom, quality, or control, with both devices representing exciting leaps in the pursuit of capturing life as dynamically and vividly as possible.